Hello friends, I took this question from electrostatic and this question is asked in JEE Mains 222 first shift and this question is also asked in 22 second shift and also asked in 223. The question says 64 identical drop each charged up to potential 10 millivolt and combined to form a bigger drop. The potential of a bigger drop will be. Question says that 64 identical we charge 64 identical drop like that, then the potential drop on the smaller drop which is 10 millivolt. When we combine the 64 identical drop, the potential drop will be, we need to calculate the potential drop on bigger drop. So I am going to solve this question. Let's say this is a small drop and the charge of small drop is small q and the radius of small drop is small r, let's say, and this is a bigger drop, the charge on a bigger drop capital Q and radius is capital R. We know the relation of potential which is equals to kq small q upon r. This is a relation of potential V is equals to 10 millivolt, this is given, and which is equals to kq upon r. Now 64 drop, the shape of a drop which is equals to shape of a drop just like a sphere. 64, the volume of a sphere, we know the volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. I write this volume because we need the radius of bigger drop, now which is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. I am going to cancel the same terms. 64 r cube which is equals to capital R cube. R cube, R is which is equals to cube root of 64 and small into small r. R is equals to cube root of 64 which is equals to 4r. This is a radius of small capital R and the value of capital Q which is equals to 64r, 64q. Each drop of charge q and the 64 drop which is equals to 64q. The potential drop which is equals to on bigger drop V is equals to V dash which is equals to kq upon capital R. The value of capital Q which is equals to 64q upon the value of capital R which is equals to, I write here, this is the equation first, capital 4r, 4 16 the 64, V is equals to 16 kq upon small r. This is a potential on small drop and the potential on small drop which is equals to 10 millivolt. This is given in question. V is equals to 16 into 10 millivolt. V is equals to 160 millivolt. 160 millivolt. This is a question. Through this question we boost our concept because this is a too much easy question and this question is asked 2 to 3 times in JEE Mains question and there will be a nothing. The concept of this question is nothing. We need only one formula, V is equals to kq upon r and the volume. Then we get the answer of this question. When we solve such type of a question, the confidence is boost. Our confidence is boost. We are lucky this question is asked in JEE Mains. So thank you. If you like this video, then you must share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.